Hello and welcome to Quick Learn Photography, straight to the point videos that teach you everything that I've learned in over the last 10 years of professional photography. My name's James, and in this one I'm going to carry on with the advice for people that are going professional, as in charging money for photography, sort of running a business or different bits of advice that I might be able to help with, things that I've learned over the last 10 plus years of photography, sort of the mistakes I made or things that I didn't even anticipate would be a situation. So hopefully, and I've done quite a few videos now if you want to check those out, if you're thinking of really stepping up and going professional, as in charging money for photography and making it a business or a side business or a separate income or a full-time income, whatever you want. So hopefully these pieces of advice will help. And in this one, just a little tip that I do myself. I don't know if any other photographers do this, but it's something that I do when it comes to editing. So obviously photography, a big part of that photography is the editing process. So you put them all in Lightroom, Photoshop, whatever it is, you check all the images thoroughly and make adjustments. Or they might want a bespoke type of editing where you know, a certain color grade or something like that, and you change it accordingly to what they want, or you crop, straighten up, resize, whatever it is you're going to do. So you've done all the editing, all right, and you're looking at the photos and you think, brilliant, I'll send it to the client now. You export them, make an album, send it off. So one thing I always do is when I finish the editing, and I try to get the light right as well. You don't want to be in really bright lighting conditions wherever you are, or really dark, because it can affect how you see the exposure, okay? But in general, just things like little white balance tweaks and stuff like that. Once I've finished the editing, all the hard work's done, the heavy lifting, like the straightening, cropping, resizing, getting the color tone right, got it all done, I never send it straight away. I go through it again the next day or whenever you've got time, but 24 hours later with a fresh set of eyes, okay, a fresh set of eyes. And that's when you'll see, ooh, I need to change that just a little bit more. Never send it. If you're getting paid, never send it straight away. Do it, work hard on it, and then check it again with a fresh set of eyes at least 24 hours later. It seems to work for me. I don't know about other photographers. I'm just giving you my advice, what's worked for me. And sometimes you will think, oh yeah, I need to adjust that, or I didn't see that color tone quite right, or that needs to be a bit brighter or a bit darker, okay? Just check it again with a fresh set of eyes. Now, every now and then they may want the photos really quick. Let's say it's a press thing that's being featured that afternoon. They want it on the website. Then you've got no choice with that. Try and find a reasonably medium lit room to edit in. Don't do it outside where it's bright. Don't do it where it's crazy dark. Try and get it a medium light, kind of like the light that I'm in now, okay? And then they just have to get what they're given if they want it done pretty quick. Sometimes they want next day as well. I charge extra for that. If they want it in less than 24 hours, it's just personal. I charge a little bit extra because as soon as I get home, I have to crack on and make sure it's good. But usually I say to clients, it'll be about a week until you get the photo. So it gives you lots of time to get it exactly right. So that's my tip. Always check them again 24 hours later or whenever you can with a fresh set of eyes. And you'll be amazed at some of the little adjustments you might have missed the first time round. So I hope this little piece of advice helps if you're stepping up and getting into professional photography where you're charging people for money. And I hope it works, and I hope you make an income out of it, and it can be great. Yeah, it could even replace your job. Now, if you need any help with photography and you think I can help, I offer one-to-one coaching. The details are down below. So we can have a discovery call. You can tell me what your photography needs are, and then we can go from there if you want to work together. So I hope this tip helped, and always check your photos the next day with a fresh set of eyes. I hope it helped.